is HTML Iframe? HTML Iframe is HTML element that allows us to create rectangular region inside of HTML document where we can load content of another HTML document or content of another website. This concept is probably familiar for you from some websites that are showing information from another website like part of their website. For example, information like weather or anything like that. So what are iframe attributes? They are src or source, frame border, width, height, margin width, margin height, and scrolling. src is iframe attribute that we use to set HTML document or website address that we want to load like content of our iframe. Frame border is iframe attribute that we use to enable or disable frame border that goes around the iframe. We can use 1, which means that we enable border around of our iframe, and this is by default. And we can use 0, which means that we disable border around of our iframe. Width is iframe attribute that we use to set width for our iframe. Height is iframe attribute that we use to set height for our iframe. Margin width is iframe attribute that represents distance between left and right frame border and frame content. Margin height is iframe attribute that represents distance between top and bottom frame border and frame content. And scrolling is iframe attribute that we use to enable or disable scrolling inside of our iframe. There are 3 predefined values that we can use. So they are yes, which means that we enable scrolling in our iframe. No, which means that we disable scrolling in our iframe. And auto, which means that scrolling will be enabled in cases if it's needed. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate to our PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.